Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linus Pro, and this is Lab 8.8.5, and we are going to determine the directory size. So you are logged in. You're logged on as Will Adams, and your working directory is /home/Adams. You need to know some information about the disk usage for Will's home directory. Complete the lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to use the applicable command to view the disk usage for the /home/Adams directory, and then we are going to answer the questions. All right, so let's go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. So we'll still wait for the lab to load. Alright, so the lab has loaded successfully. We'll go ahead and open terminal. Now that the terminal is open, we go ahead and type in DU and press enter. And then we'll go ahead and answer the questions that follows. How big is the home directory? That's going to be 100K. What is the name of the largest directory in Adams? That is going to be, okay. So it's gonna be, let's see, we have to be sure. Okay, yeah, that is it. What is the size of the directory? Is gonna be this from the left pane. What we have is 40K. All right, so we'll go ahead and start and score lab. All right, so if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership. And remember to share this video in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.